Hi, today we got some groundbreaking news that's sure to inspire and energize the entire community. Let's get started. First up, Teleport BTC testnet is here. Be the first to mint tgBTC. So Teleport BTC testnet is ready. Announced at Gateway 2024, this is a big step in bringing native BTC to the Tongue ecosystem. We're inviting community to join the testnet, mint tgBTC, and discover how BTC can be used within the Tongue's DeFi. Users who complete the testnet will secure priority participation in the mainnet and exclusive rewards. Access will be available through activities like meme competitions, social campaigns, Open League DGen SPT holders, and Tongue DeFi project campaigns. You can find the link in the description to join the channel for updates about testnet and get ready to unlock BTC's potential on Tongue. Next up, we're also happy to announce that Tongue Space has reached more than 100 million wallets. At the Gateway in Dubai, Andrew Rogozov, CEO of Wallet and Top, announced that Tongue Space has reached 100 million wallets and is preparing to exit its beta phase. This non-custodial wallet, integrating within Telegram, will soon feature easier navigation, allowing users to switch between Tongue Space and Wallet with a simple slider. Some key updates: soon user can cover transaction fees in Tongue Space using Telegram stars. As well, an upcoming Tongue Space Earn feature will offer exclusive promotions and rewards. In addition, with the help of Tongue Space, creators will be able to launch tokens and NFT giveaways in Telegram groups, channels, and mini apps. To top it off, a new aggregator will let users to choose where to exchange and stake tokens at the best possible rates. Lastly, to streamline access, a D-app catalog will soon be presented in Tongue Space that allows users to connect to D-apps within Telegram. Okay, that wraps up today's news. If you are excited as we are, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you will never miss an update. Until next time.